Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility against the RRB notification. This saves time and prevents rejection. Next, assemble digital documents: passport-size photo, signature, ID, and educational certificates, scanned per specified dimensions and file size. Once done, create your account using a working email and mobile number. You will receive an OTP and a registration number. Make sure to store that registration number and password securely, because it's required for form retrieval and fee payment later. You now fill the online application form step by step, typing names and dates exactly as in certificates to avoid mismatch. During file uploads, use the prescribed formats and pixel dimensions. Preview every file after upload to confirm clarity and correct orientation. Then choose exam centers in order of preference and declare community or service category if applicable. If you qualify for fee concession, attach the supporting certificate. Once submitted, changing these entries is often impossible. You proceed to payment through the available gateway or choose bank challen, then note the transaction reference number immediately. Before final submission, perform a slow, careful review of every field and attachment, correct errors, and then submit. Download and save the PDF confirmation, and print several copies for records. If the upload or payment fails, first retry in an incognito window or after clearing cache. If problems persist, contact the RRB helpline with your registration number for prompt resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.